Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we have got a very interesting interview task lined up. Let's jump right in and understand the task first. The task is calculate the total price across all seats. Let's take a quick look at the seats format. If you notice here, all seats have the same format. Only the item units vary slightly. Now think about this. If you had to calculate totals across hundreds of seats manually, you would go crazy adjusting every formula one by one. So let's do it smartly the Excel way. To start, we need to pull out the number from the unit. For example, 50 kg, we want 50. How do we find where the numbers ends? Here is a hint. Which function tell us the position of a space? Yes, you guessed it, the find function. Type equal find in double inverted comma space comma will select the item cell, in our case B2. Close the bracket, hit enter. You will get the space position, but we need the number of digits, not the space. So let's subtract 1 from that result. Done. Now we know how many digits to extract. Now comes the magic. Which function can pull character from the left side? Right again. It's the left function. Type equal left will select item cell, in our case B2, comma, and will keep the find function same. Bracket close, hit enter. Boom. You now have the numeric quantity. Time to calculate the total price. Use the product function to multiply quantity with the price. Type equal. Just add a product function before the left. So we'll keep left and find function as it is, comma, we'll select the price cell, in our case C2, and hit enter. And there it is. Total price for that item. Now for the last part, select the first sheet, hold shift, click on the last sheet. You can see all sheets are now selected. Go to the total cell on the first sheet, double click and hit enter. Drag the formula down. Oh, seeing the same value everywhere? No worries. Just double click again on any total cell and hit enter. Like magic, all values are now corrected. Let's verify. Yes, all seats calculated in one go. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions or interview problems, drop them in the comments below.